Samsung phone, how to add contacts. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add contacts on your Samsung phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to add contacts on your Samsung phone, all you have to do is go ahead and actually open the contacts application first. So you can just try to go to your Samsung apps section, open the contacts tab, and here you can see many contacts that I have. And if you also want to add your own contact, you can just tap the plus icon here and then simply search for any of the person's name here. And once you search for those names here, what you can do is you can simply make sure to enter the phone number, and once you enter the phone number over here, you should be able to just tap the save option to save the changes. This way you'll be able to add contact on your Samsung device. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.